Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name's Matthew, and in this video we're making Flammkuchen, aka tart flambe. I have a sweet onion and I'm going to slice it very thinly. I have 6 slices of bacon and I'm going to take my chef's knife and I'm going to finely chop it. To make the sauce for our Flammkuchen, I have a cup of mascarpone cheese, and to it I'm going to add a half a cup of creme fraiche, or I'm just gonna mix that together. To this I'm going to add a dash of nutmeg, salt, and a good crack of black pepper. To make the dough for our Flammkuchen, I have a medium bowl, and to it I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put a few cracks of black pepper in the dough. I'm just going to give this a mix. For the wet ingredients, I have 3 tablespoons of olive oil. To that I'm going to add 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of water, whisk it up with a fork. And to the dry ingredients, I'll just make a little well. Just add this right in, again, giving it a stir. And if I see that it's still a little dry, I'll just add another tablespoon of water. Just keep adding until the whole thing comes together. Now I've divided the dough into thirds, and I'm going to roll it out to about a 12-inch circle. I have a baking tray, which I've sprayed with a little non-stick spray. I'm going to put my dough on it. I have our sauce. I'm going to put some right on. Some of those onions. Finally, some of that chopped bacon. And this is ready to bake. I have our Flammkuchen, and it's going to take my chef's knife, cut it into little squares. Let's give it a taste. Crust is nice and light and crispy, and that creamy sauce on top is so good with the smoky bacon, and the onions have gotten nice and sweet and delicious. And there you have it. That's how you make Flammkuchen, aka tart flambe. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.